Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung Dishwasher DW80R5060US not turning on, power door switch and control board. Fix 1. Hard reset the system. Turn off the circuit breaker for the dishwasher and wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the control board capacitor to drain. Flip the circuit breaker back on, press the power button on the control panel with dry hands. Fix 2. Check the door latch assembly. Inspect the latch and strike plate for food particles or hard water escape. Clean the latch area gently with a damp cloth and toothpicks. Ensure the door is completely shut before turning the unit on. Fix 3. Test the thermal fuse and control board. You just have to locate the black or white thermal fuse near a wiring harness at the top or bottom. Test continuity using a multimeter by touching the props to fuse terminals. Replace the fuse if the multimeter indicates no continuity. Infinite residence. Perform a visual inspection of a main control board for black burn marks or a melted plastic. Order a replacement board if any burn damage is found. Thanks for watching.